there's something I want to talk about. And it's called the AverMedia PW513 webcam. Yay!
I was wondering if you were going to go there.
So it's a really long name for a really great webcam. It's the webcam you're looking at me on right now. Does this look like webcam quality to you? This probably looks like DSLR or mirrorless camera quality to you when you're looking at this right now, but it's actually a webcam. And so this is the power of the AverMedia PW513. It is currently my favorite webcam recommendation and the highest quality webcam I have ever used. #1 highest quality webcam I have ever used. And as you can see from the shot you're looking at right now, it's great at handling skin tones. As you can see, it can have a really clean look in your background. I also have these lights back there. As you can see, it has really good separation with the lighting and me as the subject in the foreground. And it's just crispy. You can even see the stubble on the side of my face. I didn't even shave today. You can see all of that detail. This webcam blew me away as soon as I plugged it in because it's just plug and play. Let me just show it to you right here on the top of my monitor. It's right up there. You see it right on top of my monitor up there? And here's one thing that I want to point out about this webcam, guys, that you guys maybe weren't aware of. It's got an articulating arm on the bottom of the webcam. So many other webcams, you just put it on top of your monitor and you just hope it points in the right direction. This one's got an articulating arm on the bottom of it, right down here, a little joint. You can tilt this thing left, right, 360, any direction you want without having to have any other equipment added to the mix, which is amazing. That's what I love about this camera. And also, it's got a C shutter down, and then only you, then you know for sure that no one can see you, right? This is an amazing webcam. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's right here in my primary setup, right here in my studio. And I think it's wonderful for a couple different reasons. #1, quality. I talked about that earlier. #2, the articulating arm on top. #3, the 94-degree angle lens. So I'm gonna see if I can switch it right now. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me see if I could switch it. But let me just switch it to the pure shot. It's gonna refresh right now. And, oh, hold on. Uh-oh, did I break everything? There it is. All right, here's the shot I wanted to show you guys. So this is what I wanted to show you. See how wide this shot is right now? So before, you were looking at a processed shot that was running through the software of the AverMedia PW513. This is the full wide shot that the camera gives you right here. Now you notice I have some garbage down here and stuff that I didn't want you to see. You probably have things in your studio that you don't want people to see, right? Or in your home that you don't want people to see. The software that comes for free with this camera allows you to crop in the shot to where you can get rid of any of the other stuff in your room you don't want people to see. And it's a 94-degree angle lens. You see how wide the shot is? My closet's open over there. I didn't want you to see that. And that's what the beauty of the software is. This is at about arm's length away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch back to the other shot. And so you can see side by side the comparison of the process shot versus the not process shot. You ready? Now, here's the process shot. Hey, look at that, it's super clean. You don't see my closet, you don't see the garbage. As you can see, I look sharper, I look higher resolution. All of that comes along with the free software with the AverMedia PW513, so you can look your best and you can frame yourself up properly. How many webcams, guys, have you put on top of your freaking monitor and you're like, it's not pointed right or it's shaking around or whatever and you can't get that shot right? This camera allows you to do that, and that's the reason why it is the staple webcam of my setup. Gaming creators, really quick, before you do anything else, enter to win our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, $1,100 in gear. We're giving away for $0. Link in the description below. It includes this exact audio setup you hear me on right now. It's the one we use on the podcast every single day. If you want to sound this good, this is live, by the way. This is not an edited video. This is the way it actually sounds. Let me just show you the bundle. It's freaking amazing. The bundle includes this microphone, shock mount, and boom arm, plus it includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which is arguably the best creator mixer on the market, plus our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license if you want to help grow that YouTube channel faster, plus our friends over at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow your stream faster. Rode hookup, TubeBuddy hookup, Restream hookup. They all just wanted to give you guys gear to help you succeed and software to help you succeed for free. So here you go. Link in the description below. Enter for your chance to win. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you guys can maybe pick this package up and increase your quality and increase your chances of growing faster with the tools and gear that we use every single day to grow, and hopefully you can use to grow as well. Link below. Go do it. Thank you.